Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning Bluetooth on so Windows can scan, open Action Center, or Settings devices, Bluetooth, and other devices. Once done, put the accessory into pairing mode so Windows can see it. This is usually a long press or switch. Make sure the device is close and has enough battery to avoid interruptions. You're preparing the connection environment first, so the next steps find the device quickly and reliably. Now add the device. Click Add Bluetooth or other device and choose Bluetooth. Windows will search and list names. You pick the correct name, then confirm the PIN or accept prompt when Windows asks. This secures the link. If Windows mentions drivers, allow it to install automatically or fetch from Windows Update so the device functions fully. Once paired, you'll see a connected status. This means profiles like audio or HID are ready to use. Finish by testing the device. Play audio or move the mouse to verify. Make sure the paired device shows required services in its properties so audio or input works. If something fails, remove the device and add it again. Often a restart of Bluetooth or the PC clears hiccups. One key troubleshooting tip: update the Bluetooth adapter driver in Device Manager. Outdated drivers cause most pairing and stability problems, and updating usually resolves intermittent disconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.